In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug Apex code in Salesforce. Debugging is a crucial skill for anyone working with Apex code in Salesforce, as it helps you identify and resolve issues efficiently. So, let's get started with this step-by-step walkthrough. First, let's navigate to the right place in Salesforce. Begin by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce setup. From there, select Advanced Setup. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and customize your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the advanced setup area, take a look at the quick find box, which is your fast track to finding specific settings. Type in debug logs into this box. The debug logs are essential because they record any interactions or processes involving your Apex code, allowing you to analyze what's happening behind the scenes. After typing in debug logs, select the option when it appears in your search results. This will bring you to the debug logs page. Here you will be able to create and manage logs that will help you trace your Apex code's execution. Now let's add a user whose code execution we want to monitor. Typically you'll want to start with yourself. Click on New to create a new log entry. Adding yourself means that Salesforce will generate logs based on your actions and interactions within the platform. Next, set the debug level. This is where you can specify the granularity of information you want to capture. You have the option to create a custom debug level that includes categories like Apex code, database operations, workflows, and more. This customization allows you to focus on specific areas you suspect might be problematic, which is quite helpful for pinpointing issues. Once you've set up your debugging preferences, don't forget to click Save. This action will finalize your debug log settings and get everything ready for capturing data as you proceed. With your debug log set, trigger your Apex code. This could be anything from saving a record, running a flow, or calling a class. These actions will generate logs based on your previous setup, capturing all details for you to inspect. Now let's go back to the debug logs page. Here's where the magic happens. Click View next to the latest log entry to open it up. You'll have rich data at your fingertips detailing everything your Apex code has been up to. To efficiently analyze your logs, use the Ctrl+F feature to search through the text. You can look for specific method names, any exceptions that might have been thrown, or even database operations like SOQL or DML. This can help you quickly locate the part of the code or the exact transaction causing an issue. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up, executed, and reviewed debug logs in Salesforce, allowing you to take a closer look into any issues within your Apex code. Keep practicing these steps to hone your debugging skills. Thanks for watching, and happy debugging.